There has been perhaps no place on earth where political tensions ran higher than in Belfast, Northern Ireland. In fact, the climate there was so violent that at times there was no escape from it, even at a funeral. On this day, 3 IRA soldiers are being laid to rest. Suddenly, there is an explosion. A terrorist is hurling grenades into the crowd. The mourners try and capture the fleeing suspect, who fires at the crowd. Desperate to escape, he heaves a grenade at his pursuers. Police were able to take the terrorist into custody before the crowd could exact their own revenge.